Hi everybody, this is Bonnie from Bonnie's Creative Place, and I am back with card number 4, our final card from our online class Frame Florests. And we are going to be doing, I did 4 cards on this bundle. There is also every Saturday I posted something in the month of November on this bundle. I have a tutorial, another separate whole tutorial. I've done a lot with this bundle, so make sure you look in the description box, and you can go to my blog, and you can go to my Facebook page. And while you are there, if you follow and like on both of them, then you'll know when anything gets posted and you won't miss any of my tutorials. If you'd like to know how to join my online class, that information is also over on my blog, and the links are all in the description box below. If you would like to purchase this bundle from me, you can also do that, and the link is in the description box below to purchase this from me. Now, the stamp set will be getting carried over into the January catalog mini, but this lovely framed festive stamp set will not be carried over. The paper will not be carried over, and neither will the swirly little gems that they have. They will not be carried over. So if that's something you want to get them now. The paper is wonderful. I totally recommend the paper, and you can do a lot with the paper. And then you will have the paper for future in January when it's not in the catalog. So let's get started on this last card. So this is the last card that I made. And isn't it wonderful? I love all the colors. I think it's so bright and vibrant and awesome for a birthday card. So this is the card that we will be making today. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and let me know that you like the video. Now, when you get your kit, you're going to get a piece of paper that's like this. Mine, I've already die cutted it out. But you're going to get this piece of paper, and it's going to have this little Post-it note on it that says stamped, because it is very close to this piece of paper, and I did not want you guys to get them mixed up. So this piece of paper is the one you'll be doing your stamping and your die cutting on, the one that says stamped. This one here is going to be, you're going to stamp and attach it to the card. That's for this piece here. So let's get started on how I put this card together. You are going to take your Whisper White piece, and you're going to score it. And I already scored all these for you guys. Then you are going to go ahead and add your Designer Series paper to your polished pink paper, to this paper right here. We're going to add this right on top, just like so. It's a really quick card. And then you are going to add this piece right here, just like this. Then we have our Whisper White piece, and we are going to stamp on this piece. And I'm stamping from the bundle. It says, "Wishing you a beautiful birthday." And we're going to stamp that in Night of Navy. And I'm stamping it up here, kind of towards the top on this card. I'm just going to go like that. There we go. Put this up. And then we will add this to our polished pink. I think this Night of Navy and polished pink just are like wonderful. And we'll put them right here. My E on that one didn't come out very well. Let me see if I can fix it with my Night of Navy pen here. I might be able to, I don't know. Oh yeah, there we go. Alright. Okay, so now we have that. Then I went ahead, I stamped this flower on the stamped piece of paper that you got. And then I die cut it out. I colored, very basic coloring. I used polished pink, light and dark, and I just colored it all light. Then I highlighted it with the dark, and then went back over it with the light. And then I just used Balming Blue light, or dark. Yeah, Balming Dew dark, and I colored in all the flowers. And then on these little cherries, I did the dark polished pink. Okay. And now we're going to add this right here, and I wanted to pop it up. So I used Stampin' Dimensionals here, and I'll just add 5 of them to the card. Okay. And I wanted it off to this corner. I just thought it looked really nice off to the corner. So I put it off to the side. And then I have this here, so it's half on and half off the page. So I want to have some dimensionals on the bottom 2 leaves here. So I'm going to take some minis, and I'm going to add one over here, and I'm going to add one over here. Then I'm just going to add some snail right here. And I'm going to peel these 2 off. And I'm going to put it right here in the corner, kind of just like that. So it looks like that, and it stays down. And then I thought, well, this card still needs something. So my favorite go-to thing, are the little butterflies. And since for some reason I got these 3 little butterflies stuck here, maybe I meant to use these tinier ones. Well, I'm going to use them because if I don't, they'll fall. Well, I'm going to use 2 of them anyways. Oh no, they might have just stuck. Oh, no, they didn't. I love these little butterflies. I'll have to save that one later. Here in a minute. Okay, we're going to put one right here. And I think I did use the little ones actually, because so it's all good. And then I went and took a fine tip pen, and I just did some dots, made a big swirl out so it looked like they flew in a circle and came right back. And then this one, I just kind of did some dots all the way down, around, and then I kind of just dotted down in like it came down inside there. And that is all I did for this card, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this series on this little bundle set, and I thank you all for stopping by. And I will see you next month. I'm not sure what we're going to do yet, but I'll see you all next month with our online classes. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.